So hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can create a channel on Telegram. So for this, first of all, open your Telegram application friends, and here as you scroll down your page, you will get to see an option of this kind of pencil option. Simply tap on this option. So friends, here you will get to see option of new channel. Simply tap on new channel option and then tap on create channel option friends, and here first of all you have to type your channel's name. Like I will type my channel's name, and then you can describe your channel about, and you can also select the profile picture of your Telegram channel by tapping on this camera option. So as you complete all these steps, then tap on tick option friends, and as you tap on tick option, you will get to see two options, where first one is public channel and second one is private channel. So friends, if you want to make your channel private so that only person will join your group when you allow their request, and if you just want that your channel is public, then that no one can follow you, join you, so then make your channel public channel, and then you can select your channel link. So for example, you have to type your channel URL if you want to make your channel public. So after filling the channel URL, then tap on this tick option friends, and then friends, you can select the members in your contacts, and for now you can also skip this option by tapping on this option. So guys, you can see our channel is created, and if you want to share the link of your channel to your friends or contact, so for this, tap on your channel profile, and here tap on link option friends. By tapping on this option, you can share and also you can copy link. So friends, by following all these options and process, you can also create a channel on Telegram.